Kuble pi perlok ki bapi ya kini ke video. Te sa sisen perlongan ai update piang ha kabay te bat ka scholarship. Te hoi perlok hadin mangalap mi gitu ke video ha kabay te bat ka ba scholarship ke ba ka sorkar kan pelai na penta ki students ki ba apply ya ka umrla post matric scholarship. Te ngayo ibo na pding jong pi ki ba comments ba pia ong bang impat yo watang ya ka fast installment ro impat yo. Te hoi perlong dan cubun kita ki students ki pempat yo ya kan dika ba scholarship bat ki bayo ro ki yo tang kemudian om kumba menshwa ki yo kumba prahajar le kenda hajar ki students ki ba le degree kum ka BA BCom BSc bat kum ta ter bat henyo hajar ya ki ba le pule kelas 11 bat kelas 12 te mentau senempat ki yo tang lai hajar sa hajar don ki bayo ar hajar ro te namar ba ka sarkar kala siu kumne daka installment te katu kadai ka fast installment ka ba piyo ar hajar ane lada piyo ro sa hajar katu kadai ka fast installment but don na pning jong pi ke bompat yo ya kane but hangne ngapil sai pi ba ya kane ka second installment kane ka ba scholarship ka ba ka sarkar an pimi menta kadai ka second installment ya itu ki students ki ba apply ya ka scholarship house name araja apo sau kane ka ba scholarship kadai jong ka academy year 2024 to 2025 te kitu ki ba apply ya ka scholarship jong ka academy year 2025 to 2026 kata kamu ki ba apply menta usnem te ya kita ki students kimpat yo ya kata ka ba scholarship kane ka second installment kade tang na beta ki to students ki ba apply ya ka ba scholarship house nam aja apu sau te ya mentangin ya page balai ngislam ban yo ya kane ka ba scholarship o ya ka ba scholarship menchua barabol ni sa yo ha u benai December te namar ba ka sarkar Meghalaya ke yo i ba bona kita ki students ki ba kwa ya kata ka ba scholarship namar ki don kam ya ka ba scholarship ban yo ban don kam ban siu ba school ban don kam ha ka jing don kam jongki te namar katam ka governments of Meghalaya kala decide bat kala wat ya kita ki lenti kilar kuno ban yo ya kita ki ba scholarship jongki student haswa ba kane ka central government kan release ya ka ba scholarship namar kane kan yarap ya ki kena bat ki students ban yo don kam ha ka jing don kam jongki te dena kata daw ka sarkar Meghalaya kala pekla ya kane ka proses de ka sarkar Meghalaya kala sim ya ka rai ba kan sa siu ya ka ba scholarship na ka plateng ka jong ka sarkar Meghalaya haswa ba ka central government kan pelai ya ka ba scholarship jong ki student te menchua ka central government ka sen ya ka ba scholarship direct sa ka bank account jong ki students henry mentapat kani ka proses kalong pada kumway te kumbala pentip da UCM badan borom jongi ukondar ki sangma ula ong ba menta ka sarkar Meghalaya kala dep ban pintama ya ka proses kata kamud ya ka ba scholarship jong ki students ka sarkar Meghalaya kan sen maka haswa ba ka central government kan sen sa ki students te ka government jong ka Meghalaya kan sa sen ya kita ki ba scholarship jong ki hinyo po hajar ki students sa ka Meghalaya Rural Bank te kane ka Meghalaya Rural Bank ban kan ya trailang bat kane ka National Payment Corporation of India te kane ka National Payment Corporation of India kan verify ya kita ka application jong kita ki nyopo hajar ki students ban check ya ki application jong ki students kila dep link Aadhaar na ya ka bank account jong ki lada pimpat dep ban link ya ka Aadhaar card jong pi bat ka bank account jong pi te 100% pin sado be ya kata ka ba scholarship but haden bala dep ban verify ya kita ki application jong ki students te kan sa simpor kumba ars ngi lais ngi mo ban verify ya kita ki application jong ki students haden kata pat tin sa sen ya ka by scholarship cha ki account jong ki kena pada ya kane ka verification process kila sedang nado menhenin kata ka apakanda taring bat kumbala petip da usi amadan berom jongi ong bahkan sesimpel kumba nilai ni bagi students kin yo ya kata ka by scholarship te ingin saya pay ya kata mo polong te saya abe berdasarkan mau cek ya ke application jong pi man la kapor te nama kata ya ka by scholarship jong pi hi apin sayo abe ya ka by scholarship ha ka Tuesday la ne ha ka Wednesday te kabadon kam ka ba pi ha ban le menta kanang ba pin yo ya ka ne ka by scholarship sa le mi chabang ban le check ya ka bank account jong pi la ka bank account jong pi ka don kam ne ban le KYC la da kam don kam te la biang la da pi haban pendep ya KYC sa pendep keluar kenang ba kanam tut kaneka payment process jong pi kenang ba pinyo keluar ya kaneka ba scholarship jong pi ma pulong te perlok saya komen pisnyo kumno halor kaneka proses ka batamai ka bala pintre kam da ka sorka Meghalaya hakabaya dei bat kata ka payment process jong kaneka ba scholarship jong ki students pisnyo ya hap nem pisnyo ya dei na em bat kaneka proses ka ba ka sorka Meghalaya kala pintre kam mentam haka jingsnyo junga kane ka proses kalong ka bes phamo na bata ki student jong ni te Henry lada ka pisa pat kaduna na ka ta ka pisa ka basen da ka central Meghalaya te kalong ka jingdu nong ka background na bata ki students tang ba lada ka sorka Meghalaya pat ka sen ya kita ki by scholarship kumba ka Central Meghalaya ka haban siu na bata kita ki students semua ya ka ba scholarship te kalong ka ka ba yo jim to kin na bata ki kena namar ba kilayo ya ka ba scholarship in advance ma te saya comment ha comment section ya ka jisnyo jong pi halo ka ne ka new process te ya mentang ini snap ya ka jingkren jong CM jong ni ha ka ba dei bat ka ne ka scholarship bat ya kini ki ba nga bata ya phi nga shimbe na ka jingkren jong CM hakabay day bat kane ka update sa phang ka ba scholarship jong ki students ma blog tayam tangi na snap ya ka jingkren jong CM badan jongi sa kondar ki sama.
But of course I would like to start by congratulating all of you on this wonderful day where the government today is releasing the second and the final installment of the Umbrella Post-Metric Scholarship. And just so that all of you are aware that we are releasing almost an amount of 130 crores to about 70,000 students today. And just to share with you that these funds today that we are releasing are funds being given in advance by the state government. We are releasing 130 crores from our own resources, as we have not yet received the funds, or the funds have not been transferred to us from Government of India yet. The process is still on. The reason for delay of the release in scholarship has always been because of delay which we get from central government, because they have to release for the entire country. But as we know that student community has lot of responsibilities, pressures, expenditures, and therefore we decided as a government that whether we receive the funds from Delhi or not, it is our responsibility to release the money to the students on time. And therefore, as I said, I repeat that we have not received the funds yet from Delhi, but 130 crores is being given by us because we want to stick to our commitments and we want to ensure that the students get all the support that they deserve. Earlier we had a challenge because the systems were very well established, which ensured that the central funds would come and go directly into the student's account. Today, if we were to release the funds in advance, and then the funds would come from center and that also would go into your account, then you would be getting double benefit, which is great for you, but it's difficult for us. And hence we were able to streamline that process. And today we have been able to speak to Government of India and been able to now work out a system where we can pay in advance and the funds can later be received from Government of India. This button, the moment I press, The money from government of Meghalaya will go into the MRB, Meghalaya Rural Bank account. 130 crores will be transferred. Once this 130 crores is transferred, the MRB will then follow up with what is called the National Payments Corporation of India. So the procedure is that the National Payments Corporation of India is going to then verify the 70,000 students who are eligible to receive this, verify each of your accounts, verify whether Aadhaar linkage is there or not. And I would have mentioned that if Aadhaar linkage is not there, your money will not be transferred to you. Please note that. Please ensure that Aadhaar linkage has been done to your account. So our money will go to MRB. MRB will initiate the process with the National Payments Corporation of India. They will take 2 days to 3 working days to verify all your account details and your Aadhaar linkage. Once that verification comes to us, which we expect in 2 to 3 days, the money will then be transferred into your account. So therefore, I will be pressing the button, but money will not go into your account today. The money is going to go into the MRB account. The process will take 2 days, 3 days of verification, and we expect that by Tuesday or Wednesday, the money will go into respective accounts. The reason I'm clarifying this is so that you're all aware of the procedures and you know that it is going to take 2 to 3 days, and verification is also your responsibility, as you have to ensure that your Aadhaar linkage is done. If it is not done, I repeat, money will not be transferred into your account.
Te perlu please nyo bak banding ya ka Aadhaar jong pi bat ka bank account jong pi kalong ka badan kam ha lada pi klem link ya ka Aadhaar jong pi bat ka bank account jong pi pinom yo ya ka ba scholarship jong pi te namar ba kani ka link Aadhaar kalong ka ba kung san pha te kumno ba pin check kata ka Aadhaar jong pi kala de link ne am bat ka bank account jong pi te hang kani ka video ngat pin EP kumno ban check ya kata te saya page step by step bar skip kanang ba pinam miss ya ka ka bang la bataya pi kanang ma pin nang kumno ban check ma pulong ada hang ni ngapin EP namar ba kan ne ka link Aadhaar kalong ka important ba bat kala aru ban pendo bat ban pinyo ya ka bas scholarship jong pi te minta ngapin EP kumno ba pin check ka Aadhaar jong pi kala de link ne em bat ka bang account jong pi no ko nge pi haban kumba piju ui bang ngapin EP ka ba de scholarship pi haban search NSP hadin ma pila de search NSP tapi iya kan ka website ini National Scholarship Portal sa klik ba yan eh hadin kata kan saya lamnya bisa kan ka page te kumno ba pin check ba ka application jong pi lane ka bang account jong pi kala de link Aadhaar ne em te hang ne pi haban check mo pi kan ne ka ba ka tho OTR bad hang ne ka login sa klik hang ne ka login jong kan ka OTR mo hadin ba pila de klik ha ka to ka login te pi haban klik hang ne login with OTR te sa pendap kaya ka OTR jong pi anda bila dapat pedap ya OTR batas pedap ya password tamunta sa klik login ikan sapa kumne consent for providing Aadhaar ID sa klik I agree hadin mapi login te kan sapa kumne kan sapa ka OTR bat ka profile jong pi bar ki kerteng ke mobile number email ang ta father name mother name bar ka Aadhaar number te hang ni kin perlong ba pin check ya kata ka Aadhaar jong pi POE ba ka hang ni ka thok ka Aadhaar siding te namar ba ngala de ban link ya ka Aadhaar jonga te ta ka daw ka la tho hang ni sidet te lada kampat tho hang ni sidet te pihak ban checking pihak ban check lada tekat lada kampat tu ahang ni siden kadang sudah checking te pihak ban klik ha kata kebakat ho checking. Okay, kuma piu ihang ni kebakat ho upper ID check it now te lada pimpat depan link yang ada hal jong PM kan satu apa kami check it now ha kan ka ada hal siding satu bar sak away ke badan kam perlok ke ba nga ya tu piang ne lada pi lada ban link yang ada hal jong pi bat ke bank account jong pi hadin kata ro pihak ban check ya kan ni. Okay, pihak ban check ya kan ni ke OTR jong pi kalau tho sidin ne nama bon ki students kila de ban lek pha link ya Aadhaar bat ka bank account jong ki henry ki claim check ya kan ni ka OTR jong ki kila kan ni ka Aadhaar siding kala long sidin ne hadin ba pi la de link ya Aadhaar jong pi ha ka bank account jong pi te pihak ban check ya ka OTR jong pi kala long sidin te la da kampat long sidin kan sa thoi check it now pihak ban klik check it now but lada kala link te kan saya thoi pi Aadhaar is seeded da thoi ka kerting jong ka bank ro kan sa pi ka kerting jong ka bank ro ban kan sa tho ba ka bank ba ka ne ka Aadhaar jong pi kala de link bat ka bank account jong pi ma pulong te tangkap tak perlu aku boleh suwon je pi ki bape ya kan video bahasa subscribe ya kan channel kenapa pin ya sojo ya ki update ka ba de bar scholarship kenapa pin nom do ya ka ba scholarship jong pi ko boleh suwon